This tool is made in the United States of America. It's got laser cut teeth, it's case hardened, and it has special guides to keep it straight in the pipe. This is designed to take the fitting off the pipe. This tool right here, I know you've seen this before, this is actually made to take the pipe out of the fitting. And they work really good, but there's lots of situations that you need to take the fitting off the pipe. And that's what this tool's for. It works really, really good, and that's why they're special. The closet bolts have actually broken this clear off. The only way to fix this correctly is put the Pipeparana in there and it'll chew the thing out. And you can see how the Pipeparana will go right in there and then chew that out. So you can replace it and put a new one in there. See how yours has the tabs on the sides that are broken up? The problem with this one is you can never put bolts back in there, it'll never go in correctly. And see, the closet flange can be taken out with the Pipeparana. It goes right down in there and chews it out so you can re-glue it and put a new one in. This closet flange is actually separated. The metal ring has come away from the closet flange. This will never be able to be repaired. The only real way to fix this is to use the Pipeparana. You can stick this thing in and then drill the thing out and re-glue a new one.
Compared with traditional repair methods, the Pipeparana will save you a lot of time and money.